are very rigorous in terms of our quality and our specifications.
The private brand team works closely with the business units, talks to customers, understands trends. Then there's a lot of work from a creative perspective, from a quality perspective, in developing the creative brief.
We develop a strategic matrix across each of our product categories where we have preferred manufacturers.
It's really an incredibly rigorous process to make sure that the suppliers that we are using are going to meet the standards that we have.
We have a control sample, and then over the manufacturing process, then we'll do material inspections.
There are first article inspections where we look at products being manufactured and we pull it off the line to review against the approved samples.
Every product that comes into our portfolio needs to be approved by an independent testing.
Third-party testing is important to us because it gives us unbiased results.
We can confidently tell customers that our product's equivalent to national brand, if not better in some cases.
There's no doubt that their needs will be met by our private brand products.